Hey everyone, it's Theresa here and welcome back to my channel. In today's process video, I'm rolling along with day 10 in my 2021 October daily album. And so I have a very simple story from day 10 about shopping at the mall. Just have one photo of our children, and so I went ahead and printed out the photo, a pattern paper in the 3x8 size, just to do a 3x8 insert. And that's pretty simple, but that's really what I wanted to do for this day. And I purchased the newest collection from Ashley Horton over at the Cut Shop called October Lane. And I was so excited to be able to work with products from Ashley again. It's good to see her back designing and creating beautiful products. And this is an amazing kit. I will link it below for you, and just hope that you'll go and purchase this if you haven't already. And if you have it, then I hope that this process video will inspire you to go have a play. I also printed out the word strips from this kit. What I'm doing is just sort of printing a little bit at a time as I go along. I typically don't print out the pattern papers in a collection all at once. I print those as I go, but I do like to have the embellishments and the die cuts ready to go whenever I'm ready to play. And so I'm going to do the full 3x8 photo on the front of the insert, and on the back of the insert I'm going to do the pattern paper with the little scallops there, and do a very simple spot for my journaling, and just embellish and have a good time playing with these products. And one of the things that I think makes these word strips a little bit easier to use is to go ahead and cut the strips, but leave them, and then cut them when you're ready to cut the words when you're ready to use the words. And that way they store a little bit easier and they don't necessarily get lost. I've also printed out, I printed and cut the title words, and I'm hoping to use a couple of those on this layout, but mostly I'm going to keep it very simple. And I've done quite a few pretty elaborate pages already, and so this one I decided to keep really simple and stick to a pocket page. This kit is perfect for pocket pages, and so that's what we're going to do. Okay, so everything's cut out, and let the fun begin. There were some adorable frames in this kit. It's one of the things that really jumped out at me as being something fun to create a layout around. And what I did when I printed and cut these frames, I left the white part in the middle. I left that there, and that worked out perfectly, because that means I can use this frame as a journaling spot. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do. That's what I need here. And I'm going to just add some of these cute little icons around it. Of course, I ran out of adhesive and had to replace that. And then to bring those cute scallops into the front of the insert, I used some of the die cuts there as kind of a home base, and I'm going to add just a few little word strips, and then I'll probably put my number there in that lower right hand corner of the photo, and just leave the photo as simply embellished as possible, even though I don't claim to be a minimalist, and mostly am a throw all the things at the layout. And that's what I'm going to do here. I just created a couple of little clusters, kind of like when the lights come on and everything just kind of scatters. That's kind of the feeling I was going for here. And so you don't really know what's going to poke out from you, what's going to poke out at you from where. And then I used the Boo title for my title here, and just going to write a few short sentences for my journaling and some hand-drawn lines, and keep that really simple there. And then I got to decide now what number I want to use. I've really been liking using the larger numbers on these pages this year. So this is a wood veneer number 10 from Color Cast Designs, and I love that she often includes adhesive on the back of her wood pieces. Makes it so easy to use and easy to just pop on there. And I'm going to trim it down, and then this page will be ready to go, ready to add into the pocket. So thank you so much for joining me today. I will be sharing this on my blog on Friday, and I hope that you will follow along. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and so you are kept up to date with the progress on this album. I am sharing this album throughout the month of September, and will begin sharing my 2022 October Daily very soon with you and throughout the month of October. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.